When it comes to improving your home's value and curb appeal, one of the most effective upgrades you can make is replacing your front door. While it may seem like a minor change, your front door plays a significant role in your home's overall appearance and security, both of which directly affect its marketability and value. In West Valley City, where homeowners are constantly looking for ways to increase their property's appeal and worth, investing in a door replacement can offer substantial benefits. In this article, we'll explore how replacing your door can boost your home's value, enhance its aesthetic appeal, improve energy efficiency, and increase your home's security. First impressions matter. Boosting curb appeal. Your front door is the first thing visitors and potential buyers see when they approach your home. If your door is worn, outdated, or damaged, it can give a negative first impression of the rest of your property. On the other hand, a new door can transform the entire look of your home, creating an inviting and welcoming entryway. A well-chosen, high-quality door not only elevates the appearance of your home but also makes it stand out in the neighborhood. Whether you prefer a traditional wooden door, a modern fiberglass model, or a sleek steel door, replacing your front door can immediately increase your curb appeal and leave a lasting impression on potential buyers. In West Valley City, where the local market is competitive, enhancing your home's first impression can be crucial when it comes to selling your home quickly and at a higher price. Increasing energy efficiency. Older doors, especially those made from wood or metal, tend to have poor insulation, allowing heat to escape in the winter and cool air to leak out during the summer. This can make your home less energy efficient, leading to higher utility bills and a less comfortable living environment. By replacing an outdated door with an energy-efficient model, you can drastically improve your home's insulation and thermal performance. Newer doors are designed with advanced insulated cores and weatherproof seals, which help to keep your home at a consistent temperature year-round. This means your heating and cooling systems don't have to work as hard, ultimately saving you money on energy bills. Energy-efficient upgrades, such as low emissivity, low-E, glass or insulated door cores, not only increase comfort but also make your home more attractive to potential buyers who are looking for energy-efficient features. In West Valley City, where homeowners are increasingly focused on reducing their carbon footprint and lowering utility costs, investing in energy-efficient doors can make your home more appealing in the real estate market. Improving security and safety. Another key factor in boosting your home's value is improving its security. Older or poorly constructed doors are more vulnerable to break-ins, making them a weak point in your home's overall safety. By replacing your front door with a more secure, high-quality option, you can significantly improve your home's security. Modern doors are designed with reinforced frames, stronger materials such as fiberglass or steel, and advanced locking mechanisms, which provide better protection against intruders. For instance, a steel door with a multi-point locking system offers far more security than a traditional wooden door with a single lock. Not only does this give you peace of mind, but it also adds value to your home by making it safer for you and your family. Homebuyers are always on the lookout for properties with strong security features, and replacing your front door with a high security model is an excellent way to enhance your home's desirability and value. Improved privacy. Your front door is also a key component in ensuring your home's privacy. If your door is old, damaged, or thin, it may allow sound and light to filter through, reducing your level of privacy. A new, solid door with soundproofing or insulation can help block out noise from the street or neighbors, providing a more private and peaceful indoor environment. For homes in West Valley City, where noise pollution can be a concern due to traffic, nearby construction, or busy neighborhoods, replacing your door with one that offers better sound insulation can greatly improve your living experience. This not only enhances the comfort of your home but also increases its appeal to buyers who value privacy and quiet. Return on investment, ROI. Replacing your front door is a relatively cost-effective upgrade with a high return on investment, ROI. According to the National Association of Realtors, homeowners who replace their front door with a high-quality steel or fiberglass door can recoup up to 75% or more of the cost when they sell their home. This makes door replacement one of the most cost-effective home improvements you can make to increase your home's value. In West Valley City, where homes in various price ranges are on the market, investing in a new door not only enhances the aesthetic appeal but also improves your home's energy efficiency, security, and privacy, factors that buyers will appreciate. As a result, you may find that your home sells faster and at a higher price. Long-term durability and low maintenance. New doors, especially those made from fiberglass or steel, are designed to be low maintenance and long-lasting. Unlike wooden doors that require constant painting, sealing, and maintenance, modern doors are resistant to weathering, warping, and rotting, making them a more durable and hassle-free option. A new door will continue to look great for years to come with minimal upkeep, which is a big selling point for potential buyers who want a home that doesn't require constant repairs. The durability and low maintenance of modern doors make them an excellent investment for homeowners looking to enhance the long-term value of their property. Conclusion: a simple upgrade that pays off. Replacing your front door is one of the most effective ways to increase your home's value in West Valley City. Whether you're looking to improve curb appeal, enhance energy efficiency, or boost your home's security, a new door provides significant benefits that make your home more attractive to potential buyers. By investing in a high-quality door replacement, you'll enjoy a more beautiful, secure, and energy-efficient home, and when it comes time to sell, you'll likely see a substantial return on your investment. A new door is a simple but impactful upgrade that can make all the difference in the value and appeal of your home.